Hello, in this short video, we're going to look at how we use StatCrunch to generate some summary statistics for us. So I've loaded some data, and this data is the same data that I used previously. It's from page 41 in the text, example 2.2, and has the temperature data for 50 states. So I've got 50 numbers there. For these 50 numbers, I'd like to find some important statistical information, such as the minimum, the maximum, the median, the mean or the average, the variance, quartiles. I can get all of that information quite simply. Once I've entered in my data, I click on Stat. I come down to where it says Summary Statistics, Summary Stats. My data is in a column, so I pick Column. I select the column where my data is. See, Variable 1 pops up. And then it already has selected for me a number of summary statistics. Now some of these I'd like, some I'd like to add more. If you want to get rid of one, you hold down the Control key. You click with your left mouse button. So I'm going to get rid of standard error. I don't really want that. Let's see, as I scroll down, I do want the median, the range, the min, max, Q1, Q2. I'd also like the IQR, which is the interquartile range. So I'm going to hold down the Control key, press my left mouse button to select it, and so as I look over here, I should have IQR. And that's really all I have to do to generate the information. I click Compute, and so what you see there is I get a nice summary for my data. I can check if it's right. I see that yes, in the sample size is 50. That's good. And then I see the mean, the variance, and other pieces of important information that we're going to need later in the semester. You can also use this to quickly find the minimum, the maximum, and the range in case you wanted to divide it up into a number of classes. So if you wanted just to do this for a few pieces of data, let me come here to variable 3. I'm just going to pick some random numbers, 23, 34, 12, 25, 13, 5, 23, 19, 3, and 11. So that's all I have to do is enter in the data. And now if I want to find the summary statistics for just those 10 numbers, I just go Stat, Summary Statistics, Columns. So now it knows that there's data in both variable 1 and variable 2. All I want is variable 3, so I'm going to check that. So variable 3 is there. This time I'll just take whatever they have selected and I do Compute. And so again, I can check. The sample size is 10. Yes, I do have 10 pieces of information. And all the other pieces are there. If I want to take that now and copy that into Microsoft Word, let's see, Options, Copy. So it says to copy there, do Control A with my mouse. Okay, I'll do that. I'll come back over here. I'll get my mouse and I'm just going to select the information till it's all highlighted. I right click with the mouse button and I say copy. And then I come here to Microsoft Word, right click, paste, and I should have my summary statistics. And then I can type some comments about the data. The data is, and then you could continue on making comments about those pieces of information. Alright, this is just a quick video on how to use StatCrunch to generate these important numbers that we're going to be using throughout the semester.